Now that your system is live, you've now graduated from Basecamp into Zendesk. This training is going to show you how to use Zendesk effectively and how you can look up answers to your questions. So once you log into your system, you're going to see this drop down for support. You can just go to the Help Center. You can also use the user manual. So the Help Center, this is going to redirect you into Zendesk support. So if you have a specific question you're looking for, you can look for an article in this search. So let's say we want to look for something on modifying products. So we can look for maybe an article on this. Sometimes we have videos or both on this one. So in this video, in this article, there's a video attached. And then below the video, there's also directions on how to use this. If you still have questions on anything that may pertain to the article or you're still not finding the answer to your question, you can go up to this button that says File a Ticket. Now this is going to give you some information on the types of requests that you have. So if you have a maybe a technical question, there's an example of what the question may be. So this is where you can choose your form. So let's say you want to ask a question. So this is going to populate with some other fields. Just choose where it may relate. So let's say you want to talk about customer communication and just fill out your subject. So I'm just going to put test and test for purposes. This will suggest some articles for you. And if these articles don't pertain to the question you may have, you can just keep filling out the description. And then make sure you fill out the business impact. This helps our customer support team figure out and monitor where this may be at in your day-to-day operations. If you have any screenshots or anything that may be useful for our customer support team, make sure you include that in the attachments. In the description, it's always best if you can fill out like a customer name or any example you may have. So Joe Smith, route name, products, anything like that that may be beneficial for our customer support team. So then after this, all you have to do is click the submit button. And our customer support team, they'll receive this and they'll respond. After you request the information, this is going to stay in your activities log. So it'll show the status, the ID number. After your customer support team has received this, the status may change to pending. That means that they're waiting on a response from you. If the ticket is marked as solved, that means that our customer support team has found the answer to your question. And after it's marked as solved, everything is complete. So if you have any other questions, just reach out to the support team and they can gladly assist you.